Welcome to English Speaking Edge, the place where you improve your English step by step with simple and practical lessons you can use every day. In this video, you will learn a daily English word that can help you expand your vocabulary and speak more confidently. Learning just one new word every day is a powerful way to improve your English. And over time, these small steps can make a big difference in how clearly and naturally you communicate. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to English Speaking Edge, like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with anyone who wants to improve their English every day. Let's get started and learn today's English word. The first word is essential. Essential means necessary or extremely important. It refers to something that is required and cannot be ignored if you want something to work properly or succeed. You use this word when talking about things that are very important for a task, a goal, or a situation. It is commonly used in everyday conversations, education, work, and professional communication. For example, you can say, "Good communication is essential for teamwork," which means it is very important for a team to work well together. Another example is, "Water is essential for life, because living things cannot survive without it." You might also say, "Practice is essential for improving your English," when talking about learning a new skill. Using the word essential correctly will help you clearly express the importance of something and communicate more confidently in English. The second word is accurate. Accurate means correct or exact. It refers to information, measurements, or statements that are precise and free from mistakes. You use this word when talking about facts, data, descriptions, or results that are completely correct. It is commonly used in education, work, science, and everyday communication when accuracy is important. For example, you can say, "The report provides accurate information," which means the information is correct and reliable. Another example is, "Please make sure the numbers are accurate," when talking about data or calculations. You might also say, "His description of the event was very accurate," to show that it was correct and detailed. Using the word accurate correctly will help you speak more clearly about facts and information, and it will make your English sound more precise and reliable. The third word is efficient. Efficient means productive or able to work well without wasting time, energy, or resources. It refers to doing something in the best possible way while achieving good results. You use this word when talking about people, systems, or methods that work quickly and effectively. It is commonly used in work, business, and everyday situations when discussing performance and productivity.
For example, you can say, "She is a very efficient worker," which means she completes her tasks quickly and effectively. Another example is, "This system is more efficient than the old one," showing that it works better and saves time. You might also say, "We need a more efficient way to complete this task," when looking for a better method. Using the word efficient correctly will help you describe productivity and effectiveness more clearly and make your English sound more professional.
The fourth word is flexible. Flexible means adaptable or able to change easily when situations, plans, or conditions change. It refers to being open to adjustments and capable of handling different circumstances without difficulty. You use this word when talking about people, schedules, plans, or systems that can change when needed. It is commonly used in work environments, education, and everyday situations where adaptability is important. For example, you can say, "My work schedule is flexible," which means the schedule can change if necessary. Another example is, "She is very flexible and can adapt to new situations quickly," describing someone who adjusts easily. You might also say, "We need a flexible plan," when talking about a plan that can change if required. Using the word flexible correctly will help you describe adaptability and openness to change more clearly and confidently in English. The fifth word is reliable. Reliable means dependable, or someone or something you can trust to work well or do what is expected. It refers to people, systems, or things that consistently perform their duties correctly. You use this word when talking about trust, responsibility, or consistency. It is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially when describing a person, a service, or a product that you can depend on. For example, you can say, "She is a very reliable employee," which means she can be trusted to do her job well. Another example is, "This car is very reliable," meaning it works well and rarely has problems. You might also say, "I need reliable information," when you want facts that you can trust. Using the word reliable correctly will help you describe trust and dependability more clearly and confidently in English. The sixth word is relevant. Relevant means related or closely connected to the topic or subject being discussed. When something is relevant, it directly supports or contributes to the discussion, idea, or situation, rather than being unrelated or unnecessary. You use this word when talking about information, ideas, examples, or details that are important to the topic you are discussing. It is commonly used in academic settings, professional conversations, meetings, and presentations, especially when you want to focus only on useful and meaningful information. For example, you can say, "Please include only relevant information in your report," which means the report should contain details that are directly connected to the topic. Another example is, "His experience is very relevant to the job," meaning his background is closely related to the position. You might also say, "Try to give examples that are relevant to the discussion," when encouraging someone to stay on topic. Using the word relevant correctly will help you communicate more clearly, keep your ideas focused, and sound more thoughtful and organized when speaking or writing in English. The seventh word is complex. Complex means complicated or made up of many different parts that are connected. When something is complex, it is usually not simple or easy to understand because it involves several ideas, steps, or elements working together. You use this word when talking about situations, problems, systems, ideas, or topics that require careful thinking to understand. It is commonly used in academic discussions, professional environments, and everyday conversations when describing something that is difficult or detailed. For example, you can say, "This problem is very complex," which means it is difficult and has many factors involved. Another example is, "The instructions are complex and need to be explained clearly," showing that they are not simple to follow. You might also say, "Climate change is a complex global issue," to describe a topic that has many causes and effects. Using the word complex correctly will help you describe difficult ideas or situations more clearly and make your English sound more thoughtful and expressive. The eighth word is simple. Simple means easy or not complicated. It refers to something that is clear, straightforward, and easy to understand or do. When something is simple, it usually does not involve many steps, rules, or difficult ideas. You use this word when talking about tasks, explanations, instructions, or ideas that are easy to follow. It is a very common word in everyday English and is often used when you want to make something clear and understandable. For example, you can say, "The instructions are simple," which means they are easy to follow. Another example is, "This is a simple solution to the problem," showing that the answer is not complicated. You might also say, "Let me explain it in a simple way," when you want to make something easier for someone to understand. Using the word simple correctly will help you describe ideas, tasks, and explanations that are clear and easy, making your communication more effective and natural in English. The ninth word is effective. Effective means something that works well or produces the desired result. When something is effective, it successfully achieves the goal or purpose it was designed for. You use this word when talking about methods, strategies, solutions, or actions that bring good results. It is commonly used in education, work, business, and everyday conversations when discussing what works best in a situation. For example, you can say, "This method is very effective for learning new vocabulary," which means the method works well and helps people learn better. Another example is, "Regular exercise is an effective way to stay healthy," showing that it produces positive results. You might also say, "Good communication is essential for effective teamwork," when explaining how teams succeed. Using the word effective correctly will help you describe successful methods, actions, or strategies more clearly and make your English sound more confident and professional. The 10th word is successful. Successful means achieving goals or reaching the results that you wanted. When someone or something is successful, it means the effort, plan, or action produced positive results and the desired outcome. You use this word when talking about achievements, progress, or accomplishments in different areas, such as work, education, business, or personal life. It is commonly used to describe people, projects, plans, or events that have reached their goals. For example, you can say, "She is a successful businesswoman," which means she has achieved strong results in her career. Another example is, "The project was very successful," meaning the team achieved the goals they planned. You might also say, "Hard work is important for becoming successful," when talking about achieving goals over time. Using the word successful correctly will help you talk about achievements, results, and accomplishments more clearly and confidently in English.